built-in TV. And you can watch local channels on this little TV. You see? And all you have to do is turn up the volume. Oh, I pushed the home button. Well, you just swipe. You can watch all your local channels. So also, I'll show you what version it's running on. Like I said, it is a little slow. It does not have a Bluetooth enabled internal radio. But if you need to transfer something, you can always plug it into the computer. So there it's running on Android 4.2.2. And if you're looking for a inexpensive, nice little TV tablet with a built-in tuner, then this may be of interest to you. I think it's kind of neat myself because you can watch TV on it and you don't need to have internet. And thank you for watching my video, and I appreciate your tuning into this, and have a good day.